Kia ora. I'm Mary Joseph. I'm a licensed immigration advisor for New Zealand, and this is AJV Global bringing you the latest on immigration border exemptions. So this is actually an amendment, or say an addition to the video that we have done last, I think about a week ago. The announcements of the new border exemptions were done on the 20th of April, which are valid from the 30th of April. That was the weekend that just went by. So there were some more changes, there were some additions that actually is good and positive. So I'm here to add some light on that so that the people who are now eligible can also look at. So there were three main categories of people who were falling under the border exemption. The first one was partners and dependent children of temporary work visa holders or student visa holders in New Zealand. So if under that particular category, there were certain exemptions that were announced. For example, people who held a visa or are currently holding a visa, and are currently holding a visa was the term used. But now the changes have been made that anybody who has also held a visa and their visa has expired because the first entry date has passed. Please note this. If your visa is expired because your first entry date has passed, only those come under this particular exemption. So if you think that you do fall under this category, please do contact us and we will come back to you with your eligibility. The other two criteria which were also announced under this exemption was partners of critical health workers and partners of high-skilled workers. Now, these two categories also I have explained in detail, but I'll just touch upon that. So, if you hold a visa as a critical health worker in New Zealand, it has to be an employer-supported visa. Then you can apply for this border exemption for your partners. And it's not just border exemption. If your partners have never applied for a visa, basically you can apply for a new visa for them. Even if they've not held a visa in the past, you can apply. The third category is partners of highly skilled workers. Now, there was a bit of an amendment here I wanted to add from the previous video, is that even if you do not hold a visa on that particular high remuneration, you could be on an open work visa and hold a high remuneration job in New Zealand. Your partners and dependents can come and join you, but there are a lot of requirements. So high remuneration means $51 per hour, and there are certain categories of people or certain projects you must be working on in order to be eligible for this exemption. Please be aware there is a lot of confusion, there's a lot of ambiguity, there's a lot of interpretations around the border exemptions. However, it won't harm you to talk to a licensed immigration advisor. You don't have to necessarily come to us, but please seek advice from an immigration advisor, a licensed immigration advisor of New Zealand. Please do not discuss it among your family and friends or people who may understand or may interpret for you, because this is immigration law. We will have to refer to the relevant instructions on the immigration website and then guide you. That is the reason we do a course. That is the reason we go through an entire licensing regime. So please do send us an email at newzealand@ajvglobal.com. We can talk about your border exemption eligibility, and if you are eligible, we will certainly assist you further on this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find this useful. Thank you very much.